Hello everyone, we are back with another QUADRA tutorial. Today we are diving into an example of anomaly detection using images. We will use the QUADRA library to train a model to detect the clouds as anomalies in images obtained by satellite. For anomaly detection task, we are going to use image files from a dataset publicly available on the Kaggle platform. You can also find the link in the comments section. Start checking the Jupyter notebook. This dataset contains cropped images that may be occluded with clouds. We selected a subset which contains 220 images without clouds and 50 images with clouds. Now we can visualize a few images from both groups. Here you can see some images are partially or totally occluded by clouds. Next, we sample images with a clear view. In this folder, there are images coming from forested areas. For anomaly detection, we need to organize train, validation and test folders first. The train set will contain only clear images. However, the validation and test set will contain both images with and without clouds. In this dataset, we don't have any ground truth masks for anomalies, but they can be added depending on the annotations. Now it's time to train our model. QUADRA integrates Anomalib using PyTorch Lightning and combines them with Hydra for configurations. For this demo, we will use patch-core algorithm with a ResNet 18 backbone. Inside the QUADRA configurations, you can find the pre-configured anomaly detection experiments under base/anomaly folder. Let's execute the training task. At the end of the training, we obtain metrics for anomaly detection results, such as F1 score. Finally, we can analyze the cumulative histogram of anomaly scores. The cumulative histogram helps us to understand the threshold distinguishing the normal images from anomalies. Now let's switch to testing task using the best checkpoint obtained. We use anomaly threshold computed during the training for inference. After testing is completed, we can find outputs generated on the test set. We can find the JSON file for prediction metadata, in addition to heat maps and prediction masks in specific folders inside experiment directory. In this section, we can also visualize the predictions using the same notebook. First, we show the best cloud detection as anomalies. As a second step, we visualize also the best correct detection as good images without cloud occlusion. Moreover, we can also check the cases when the model fails to detect anomalies and good images to analyze the failure cases for the future improvements. We can try different models or hyperparameters to improve the results. For a deeper dive into anomaly detection and other algorithms, we have more tutorials available on the QUADRA website. These step-by-step guides will help you to get started with the QUADRA tasks. Thanks for watching our anomaly detection tutorial. We'd like to hear your thoughts and we are waiting for your suggestions and questions. See you in the next one.